Hey, good afternoon. It's Wednesday. This is Neil. The midweek market update, November the 2nd, Fed Day. We just got the Fed decision earlier today at 1 o'clock. Market got what it had priced in terms of the anticipated three-quarter point rate adjustment. Got that, but then got something that clearly it was not anticipating, and that was Powell in the presser. I'll show you. I mean, spot on right here. Remember, earlier week we were talking, look, this launch pad is from 38.45. That's last week's balance. Here it is, 38.45 right before the bell, or right before the report, 1 o'clock. Boom, report, 75 basis. Market says, yep, that's what we're looking for. Zip up to 39 and change. And then guess what that candle is right there? Look at the time. 1:30. Presser starts. Powell starts, and he says, No. Start to talk about pause. That's premature. No, we're nowhere near talking. No, what we need to do is get the additional data points that we can get between now and the next meet, which is mid-December, and make, some further judgment from there. But right now, it's premature, to be talking about pause. Well, okay, so clearly you see with the result here, right? I mean, the market doesn't like that. It pukes 39 all the way back to 37.5. And guess what that is? Go back to the daily chart. Remember where this all started the other day on the rumor mill from this Thursday right there? Started 37.55.60. Oh my goodness, look at here. Remember that was the Amazon report, and then it's, oh, yeah, goodness, by the way, there's rumor that the Fed's, considering the pause. Zip, up she goes. 37.5 trades like 39, almost half, right? Big bid, 2.5% bid. Well, here we are today. Powell says, no, that's premature. So it erases, almost to the tick, it erases all the way back to this rumor mill launch pad, right? So here we are back to the beginning, back to scratch. This is crazy, insane price action. It's up 100, then back 100. I mean, if you can keep up with this, it's just pretty wild. I was looking 38.45 today, targeting 39, like 40 and 60, and that did not happen. 38.45 was spot on. It was right on the mark for the report, but it only bids 3,900. And then we get the presser, and the presser was, no, forget the rumor mill. This is premature, and it comes all the way back and erases the gains. And so, I don't know. I give it about 38.40 over under now, and give the edge to the bears, knocking it back into the center of this balance back here. Remember what that is. I give you a second. Think. 3, 2, 1. Remember the balance back here, 36.90? I'll give that the target now. Remember we profiled all this trade, this big block of trade, and we got the balance on that whole body right there. It was 36.90. I'd give it now. I don't know, this is pretty crazy, but I'll give it 38.40 over under. The lean goes to the bears, target the 36.90 back here, return to balance on the bulk of this. See, that's the read, I guess, from here after today. Today was just, something else. After this rumor mill Thursday, I thought, here's what we got. This is going to be a boom bid. Bid goes back to balance up here, 39.5. That'll be your target. But then Powell says today, no, that was rumor. We don't like that. It reverses, takes back to the tick. Really, look, it takes back all the rumor, all the way back, right? Give it a little half back, over under for continuation, back to balance down here. Balance down here is 36.90. That's what I got. Hope it helps. Good trade. Nice evening. Look forward to being with you again at the next update if I survive this until then. Then I'll see you at the next update. Good night.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me